Alright guys, I'm back with another video. My sister, Ashley, is I'm not gonna show her to you, she's hiding. She's gonna be pressing the gas for me so you can hear what the bad muffler sounds like. Get on the car here. It's actually a resonator, not a muffler. On my car, it's the resonator that I'm replacing. So first, let's see if the catalytic converter makes any noise. All right, go ahead, Ashley. Break and stop. All right, so I know you couldn't really see, I'll grab a flashlight, but I did not hear the catalytic converter making any noise. I'm gonna crawl under here now to the thing that I'm really replacing. You'll be able to see it and hear it. So right there's my flex pipe. Silver thing's my flex pipe. Flanges are absolutely rusted terribly. And then this whole thing, GM sells this as a one-piece resonator. Pipe goes all the way back to the muffler. It's all one piece. It's super expensive to buy. So I'm gonna try to fix this myself with an aftermarket resonator. This piece right here, that's all rusted, that's the resonator. And you can just hear it right now at idle. And my sister's gonna rev it up to 2,000 RPM and we're gonna be able to hear all the rattling of the brokenness inside it. All right, go ahead. Hear all that rattling. It should be quiet. It's like a muffler. All right, take it off. So that whole piece is going to get replaced. All the salts and the cold and the rain of all of the winters here are brutal on the exhaust, and so this thing really needs to get replaced. So location of it, directly under the car, right in the center. I'm right in the center of the car right now. It attaches from both of the catalytic converter pipes. That's the flex pipe right there. And this is your resonator. If you buy one online, it might be called a resonator slash muffler, but I want to make sure that you're buying the right one. So what I'm going to do now is show you what the piece looks like. I've already painted it and everything, but if you buy one online, this is what it's going to look like. It's a cylinder shape. It does not look like the original one. But before I put it on, I'm going to make sure that it matches, and there is no welding required. All you're going to need is a U-clamp or a butt joint clamp to clamp this to the pipe behind it. And this is taped off right now because I painted it. But this is just a regular flange. 2 bolts go right there, go right through and attach. That hooks onto the hook that keeps it in place. Honestly, I'm replacing that as well. I just want to make sure that you guys aren't thrown off by seeing this online. This is what you're looking for. If this helped you out, please like the video, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.